So we started to open up to this experience by, this is a really gentle way of doing it. Inhaling, on the exhale, just adding a little sound. And in that sound, it really connecting with like, if this tension, if this tight, hot string in the neck and shoulders, if it could verbalize, if it could vocalize through your vocal cords, what would the sound be? So she would inhale, and we were doing this together, in the hot water, adding some sound on the exhale. That was a little bit more expressive because I'm really comfortable with this. But that's what we practiced for a while, continuing to connect back into center. And then the invitation was like, if you wanted to have a little bit more safety with the audible expression of this, to then submerge underwater and to express this energy through sound by going underwater and having a different medium, right? A substrate of water versus the substrate of air carries sound waves differently. So we would go underwater and express the sound underwater, and that was so cool. And when we would do it together, we could hear each other underwater.